Hello everyone. I'm very happy that we have so many of you volunteers volunteering for Saisha. It is making a tremendous impact on the lives of so many of the survivors. We are slowly creating the awareness of this with the survivors, and for this you have all been a part in your own small way, and there are some wonderful feedbacks that we are getting from the beneficiaries that we have already given to. Of late, I think many of you are aware that we had our article come up in the Times of India in Chennai and Bangalore, and that has brought in a few volunteers and a few beneficiaries also. Yesterday I got a lady she just got back from the South Pacific Islands, she says, and I was a little surprised that she could go all the way from Bangalore to the South Pacific, work there, and just come back. And she says, I came back and I have cancer, and I googled to find out an alternative and I found your name and I'm asking you. We have got some wonderful feedback which we will be sharing with you in our social platforms. I wanted to also take this opportunity of telling you that the month of October, which is coming in, is considered world over as the Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So we are having some plans for this month, and whereby we can create more awareness and we'll be able to give out more of our knockers to the beneficiaries. We have planned a lot of activities for October, starting with 9th, when I would request all of you to attend, as many as you can, because there are some surprises in it, and one of our chief speakers also would be Barbara Demarest of the Knitted Knockers USA. She has agreed to be present because she is enthusiastic to meet all of us. She has heard so much about us from me that she says, I love the way you people are working in India, and it is marvelous to see such enthusiastic people, and with so little you people are doing so much. So she's going to be there. And throughout the month of October, we have planned a lot of programs which would keep us all glued to the social platforms. We have also sent out a lot of emails and letters to our patrons, the doctors, clinics and hospitals in various cities, telling them about us and telling them that we are ready to participate in any of their awareness programs that they have, and we are waiting for the response from them. We have received a couple of them saying that they will let us know when they fix something, and it is in such times when I would ask some of you volunteers, you may be asked to go and represent us as ambassadors of Saisha in case there are too many activities and we are not able to participate. I would welcome the volunteers to do it on our behalf. Hats off. I have only to say again and again that I'm very, very happy that I've got you people here with me, and in spite of the COVID, I'm so happy to see that I'm sure I'm going to be bombarded with knockers very shortly, and hopefully by the new year the COVID pandemic is down and we shall all function as before. Thank you very much.